how to turn on all Instagram threads notifications easy and quick. If you want to turn it on, all you have to do just go to Instagram threads. Now once you're here, click profile and then go to these 2 points here in the top corner. Now you will see notifications, click on it, and as you see now you will find it like that, and then all you have to do just turn it off. And as you see now all the notifications are on, so you can turn it off whenever you want. Just click on it and select how much time you want to turn it off, and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy, and also you can manage threads and replies notifications, and that's it. Just manage until you want here, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.